Hi, it's Judi from kindyRock. It's so great to have you along. Let's get started by doing the kindyRock twist. Are you ready? We better count it down. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, and go!
Twist, twist, twist. Twist your hips. Clap, clap, clap. Clap your hands. Jump, jump, jump. Jump so high. Let's do the kindyRock twist. I'm gonna twist so low. Let's do the kindyRock twist.
How low can you go?
Turn around and touch the ground, doing the kindyRock twist. Shake, shake, shake. Shake your arms. Wiggle, wiggle, wiggle. Wiggle your knees. Stamp, stamp, stamp. Stamp your feet. Let's do the kindyRock twist. I'm gonna twist so low. Let's do the kindyRock twist.
How low can you go?
Turn around and touch the ground, doing the kindyRock twist. Come on, twist. Clap. Jump. Now shake. And wiggle. And stamp. Let's do the kindyRock twist. I'm gonna twist so low. Let's do the kindyRock twist.
How low can you go?
Turn around and touch the ground, doing the kindyRock twist.
I've got something in my bag. I wonder what it is. Shall we have a listen today? I can hear some sounds. Let's have a look. Oh my goodness, this is from the kitchen in a bowl. I wonder if we can use these to make sounds instead of instruments maybe. What else have we got? I've got some tapping sticks and a spoon. And lastly, I've got a bowl. So when we do our instrument songs, you don't have to have instruments all the time. You can find things from your cupboard to make a sound with. And today in our song, we have to play and play and play and play and stop. Just like that. Shall we try it again? Play, 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 play and stop. Let's give it a try. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, go.
Play, play, play it right on the beat. Right on the beat. Right on the beat. Play, play, play it right on the beat. Play and stop. Play, play, play it softly on the beat. Softly on the beat. Softly on the beat. Play, play, play it softly on the beat. Play and stop. Play, play, play it loudly on the beat. Loudly on the beat. Loudly on the beat. Play, play, play it loudly on the beat. Play and stop. Play, play, play it slowly on the beat. Slowly on the beat. Slowly on the beat. Play, play, play it slowly on the beat. Play and stop. Play, play, play it quickly on the beat. Quickly on the beat. Quickly on the beat. Play, play, play it quickly on the
I wonder what's inside my bag. Can you have a listen? You can't really hear too much today. Let's have a look. Oh, I've got something that's see-through, and I've got something that is stripy, and I've got something that looks like a rainbow. Can you wave your scarves up high? Can you wave your scarves down low? Up high, down low, up high, down low. Are you ready to do some scarf songs with me? Let's get going.
Your scarf fly high, scarf fly high. Make your scarf go low, make your scarf go low. Make a circle, tickle your toes, tickle your toes. Turn around, make it wriggle on the ground, make it wriggle on the ground. Jump and hop, over you flop, over you flop. Make your scarf fly high, make your scarf go low.
Let's all fly on the kindyRock plane, the kindyRock plane, the kindyRock plane. Let's all fly on the kindyRock plane.
Let's all ride on the kindyRock bike, the kindyRock bike, the kindyRock bike. Let's all ride on the kindyRock bike.
drive on the kindyRock bus, the kindyRock bus, the kindyRock bus. Let's all drive on the kindyRock bus. Beep, beep, beep. Let's all ride on the kindyRock train, the kindyRock train, the kindyRock train. Let's all ride on the kindyRock train.
Woke up this morning and what do you know? I turned into a dinosaur. Oh no! I woke up this morning and what do you know? I turned into a dinosaur. Oh no! Now my feet go stomp, my tail goes swish, my teeth go crunch, my mouth goes. Now my feet go stomp, my tail goes swish, my teeth go crunch, my mouth goes. I woke up this morning and what do you know? I turned into a dinosaur. Oh no! I woke up this morning and what do you know? I turned into a dinosaur. Oh no! My feet go stomp, my tail goes swish, my teeth go crunch, my mouth goes. Now my feet go stomp, my tail goes swish, my teeth go crunch, my mouth goes. I woke up this morning and what do you know? I turned into a dinosaur. Oh no! I woke up this morning and what do you know? I turned into a dinosaur. Oh no! Not again!
Well, it's time for us to say goodbye now. Have you got your waving hands? We'll see you next time.
Goodbye to you.